Lesson 7. Short bot. With 3 commas and its robot, you can earn profit on a price decline. You need to understand that this is short trade without using a level of leverage. It's just a regular spot trade. Therefore, in order to trade in short, you need to have funds on your balance of the second coin from the pair. That means that there are 4 main coins: Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum, and USDT, and all other coins are paired to them. We need a second coin for a short trade. For instance, if it's a Bitcoin, you will need ADA coins. In case it's USDT, you will need these coins. This strategy is better suited for cryptocurrency miners. So, if you mine coins to your account, and the coins are simply on your balance, you can configure short. This trade is basically automatic. And you could earn money on market decline. Even if the price is rising, it will eventually have a drawdown, and you could always sell with profit. Also, this can be useful for holders. If you bought some coins for a long term, and you had them on your account for a long time, go ahead, configure a short, and start trading. Also, this strategy will be okay for simultaneous long and short trade in one coin. The best option here is, of course, Bitcoin USDT. Configure one part in short, another in long. We'll discuss this option later. Now let's see how all of this works. Let's take, for example, a pair of Bitcoin VET. Let's say we have 30 coins on balance. Set up short bot with price deviation equal 1%, no martingale, and with 9 safety orders. Bot will immediately sell 3 VET coins priced at 100 satoshis and will get this amount of bitcoins. Then it starts selling 3 safety orders priced at 101, 102, 103. Also, it starts buying a take profit order priced at 99. Therefore, if the price drops from 100 to 99 satoshis, the bot will buy back 3 VET coins, spending less bitcoins because the price is lower. So this difference in Bitcoin is the profit. And if the price goes up, for instance to 101, the bot will sell another 3 VET coins and will shift take profit a little higher, from 99 to 99.5, etc. This is basically a long bot but mirrored. Let's look at Bitcoin pair. So for short trade in Bitcoin USDT pair, you need a Bitcoin on your balance. Again, if you have previously bought Bitcoin or mining it, you can configure short. So let's say we started a short. We have 1 Bitcoin, for example. One order is 0.1 Bitcoin. So after starting a deal, the bot immediately sells 0.1 Bitcoin. And then sets buying order at a lower price, also setting 3 safety orders of the same amount, 0.1, and so on. When the price is rising, it sells the order, and the take profit shifts a little bit higher. When the price is rising again, same thing happens. It shifts higher again, the price is rising again, and some more. Then there's the price decline, and you buy back the amount you've sold already. And so you earn profit on this difference of prices. This is pretty handy. because when the coin's price is declining, which happens pretty often, you can earn some decent profits. Again, when you see waves on the graph, you can start a deal here and sell orders here. It's basically a mirrored version of long. Now let's configure a bot. Create a bot. Name it accordingly. We're going to be using USDT pair. Bot type is simple. We will talk about composite bots in the next lesson. Let's choose a pair. We need a Bitcoin on a balance to trade in short. Strategy is short. Profit currency is quote. It's better to set base order size in Bitcoin. In other words, in a second coin that you need to have on your balance. So the minimum amount in USDT pairs is $10. So I need to set at least this amount. I recommend setting safety order size 1.5 or 2 times higher than the base order size. Something like that. However, if you have insufficient funds for that on your balance, you can leave the default amount, which is equal to the base order. Start order type is limit. The best take profit for short is 1%. Take profit type is percentage from total volume. I don't always recommend using trailing. If the price is decreasing rapidly and the trailing is on, the bot will start a deal at a very low price and eventually you will sell all orders, but will not receive profit. Therefore, trailing can be dodgy sometimes. But you can use it under some circumstances. The percentage is the same as in long. Safety orders. Leave the value between 9 to 12. Set max active safety orders to 3. Set this to 1%. Safety order volume scale is between 1.1 to 1.2. Next, 2 types of signals, which work in short. The first one is open new trade ASAP, without waiting for any signals. This condition can be pretty risky. When using this, it's better to have more safety orders, around 15. In this case, orders will be smaller in volume, but you'll be able to sustain a bigger price increase. Also, you can limit the amount of active deals. Or you can set a minimum price to open deals. When you set this value, the bot will start a deal only when the price reaches this minimum. Also, draw support and resistance lines, as I've shown you before. And define those limits. Also, set cooldown between deals, at least 60 seconds. Or even more, so you could evaluate the situation on the market and if it's reasonable to start the bot again. So let's limit deals to 5. After you run the bot, it will open no more than 5 deals and will have a 3-minute cooldown between each deal to check out the situation. This is pretty handy. As an alternative, you can delete this and enable TradingView custom signal. Let's look at how it works. As you can see, I don't really have enough Bitcoin to actually run it. This is just for demonstration purposes. So when you configure short, you should always keep the right amount of coins on your balance. At least 80 or 90%, and some more for averaging. Now, about that custom signal. We can configure the bot so it works all the time. But the best strategy on short is buying on Bollinger Band in 5-minute time frame. When touching the upper line, so here, here, and here. So the bot starts a deal when the price is rising. Then it closes it, waits, and starts it again, a polar opposite to long bots. There's no such built-in signal in 3 commas currently. It might be added later. Therefore, how do we connect it? Click on Alert. Choose Crossing Up condition. Value is Bollinger Bands. Upper, once per minute. Uncheck these. You can check open-ended, but it will offer you to upgrade to the premium plan because this signal expires in 2 months. You can upgrade the pricing plan if you want to renew this alert, or you can start a 30-day trial and see if you need this alert or not. Now, check Send an email to SMS. Enter the email that's in the manual. Save. And here you need to paste info from your bot config. Go to your bot info, find message for deal start signal, copy the info, paste it here. Double check everything just to be sure. Then click Create. Then, wait a little, and the alert is created. It's active now. If you don't need it anymore, you can either stop it or remove it. Now, if we start the bot, it will wait for the price to cross the upper line. Only after that, it will start a deal. It will sell Bitcoins here and buy them back here. Short is actually rather simple. You can configure several pairs so that they would trade all the time. Just check your bots once in a while and decide if you want to stop them or not yet. You need to stop them when the price has dropped radically. So you can turn bots off, wait until the RSI and stochastic reach at least the middle values, and the price should also go back up a little. And then you can start your bots again.